The official commencement of pre-registrations for the Gigafest at Tesla's Gigafactory in Berlin has been formally announced by Tesla. The very first Tesla Gigafest is going to take place on the 9th of October 2021. In essence, it is going to be a county fair organized by Tesla in order to bring together people from Berlin, people from Brandenburg, and people from Tesla Giga Berlin team. The notification for the opening of pre-registrations was published on the official website of Tesla with a note that read, "Tesla opens the doors of its Gigafactory in Grünheide on the 9th of October 2021 and invites citizens of Berlin and Brandenburg to a county fair. Join us to experience the most advanced electric vehicle production plant in the world. You will have the opportunity to see behind the scenes during a factory tour, visit on-site booths, join various activities, and ride along in Model Y, our newest electric car to arrive in Europe. Local food trucks will provide catering during this event." It was in August this year that Tesla's CEO Elon Musk announced his plans on launching the tour of Tesla Gigafactory Berlin and on having a county fair. This event seems to have been planned and given the green light even before the production of the electric vehicles started at the facility. The Tesla team at Gigafactory Berlin are all prepared to get the production started some 21 months after the first, not-so-metaphorical brick was laid down at the site. The factory building works are yet to be completed, but Tesla will start manufacturing the electric vehicles at those sections of the factory area where the building works have been finished. The rest of the facility building works will be completed simultaneously with the vehicles being manufactured at the same site. The Tesla Gigafactory in Berlin is also being looked at as a potential site where a battery factory could be built in the future. As of now, Tesla's battery facility in Fremont, California, would provide the batteries for the electric vehicles manufactured at Tesla Gigafactory Berlin so that the vehicle assembly could be completed. In case you might wish to treat yourself or your loved ones to a tour of Tesla's Gigafactory Berlin, please be advised that Tesla is more than ready to welcome parties of up to 6 people. The formula used goes as following: maximum 2 adult visitors accompanied by up to 4 children or young adults, if you will, under the age of 16. According to the reports on the Street Insider that were published at the start of the week, the Brandenburg State Parliament's Economic Committee has approved the funding of 120 million euros or $141 million for the battery facility to be built at the Tesla Gigafactory in Berlin. The report also said there is a chance Tesla could receive a huge amount of 1.14 billion euros as a funding from the second battery cell program, both important projects of common European interest. The production at the Tesla's Gigafactory in Berlin will start with the manufacturing of Tesla Model Y electric vehicles, which are currently the talk of the town and a huge success in the whole European region after Tesla imported the vehicles to the region from their Gigafactory located in China. With the production of Tesla electric vehicles, Model Y in particular, getting nearer to the start date of production, there is a big probability that the vehicle will overtake the electric vehicle competitors in the market and come out on the top. As of now, Tesla Model Y has not made its mark in the list of all-time top-selling electric vehicles, but up to now, it has only been released in the European region and only for a few weeks. As the production of the Model Y vehicles rack up and more vehicles are produced, there is a huge chance that Tesla Model Y vehicles will come out on the top of the most-selling electric vehicles list. While Elon Musk's company has been doing much better in Germany lately, Tesla's referral program has, for the lack of a better phrasing, undergone some significant changes. The popular Tesla referral program that provided the owners of Teslas with such benefits as the supercharging miles, as well as numerous other rewards, has officially been declared to have come to an end. It used to be the case that any person purchasing either a Tesla or a Tesla solar panel would be immediately enrolled in the Tesla referral program. The principal aim of the program was to provide both the purchasing party and Tesla with certain advantages that could not have been obtained otherwise. Among numerous, quite attractive, let's be honest here, Benefits there were, for instance, a chance to get your hand on the next generation Tesla Roadster, a chance to drive an exclusive Tesla model like Tesla Cybertruck or the Tesla Semi, or a chance to enjoy free charging for the first 1,000 miles of driving your brand new Tesla vehicle. Those benefits could have been accessed by means of a special referral code provided to a happy Tesla owner at the time of the purchase. This program made significant contributions into the initial and quite considerable increase of Tesla sales, as well as impressive widening of their consumer base. There were some special rewards even for those who helped spread the word, you see. Despite all this, Tesla has officially stopped the referral program on the 18th of September 2021, with the message on its official website reading, "As of the 18th of September 2021, vehicle products and solar panels are no longer eligible for referral awards." The referral program of Tesla has officially ended, and now the only thing that can benefit the owner the same as the referral program is the solar roof. The solar roof is the only product that will now help its owners to continue to gain the same rewards as before. The solar roofs, for instance, will provide the referral with a credit of $500. According to a statement issued by Tesla, any person, a friend or a family member who uses the referral link to order themselves a solar roof is entitled to earn an amount of $500 when given upon the permission to operate the solar roof, reducing the burden of reliance upon the grid and producing and using free and clean energy. You will earn an amount of $500 for every solar roof with your referral code. The cancellation of the referral program might have been due to the increase in the demand for Tesla's products with the passage of time. Initially, the program was launched with the idea to increase the sales of the company and its popularity among the masses. But if we look at it now, Tesla is one of the leading electric vehicle manufacturers and sellers, and it has hit the stage where it has already started going out of the stocks. Certain cases have been recorded where the vehicles are sold out completely and do not return for sale for the rest of the year. Although it is quite advantageous for the customers to keep on getting the rewards and benefits in return for increasing the sales of Tesla, for Tesla itself, it has become a financial burden because of less production and the customer base, which ought to be growing if the program is not ended. The profit is the same, but expenditure increases in the shape of the rewards and benefits. The free supercharging miles was obviously a great perk for the Tesla owners, especially for those who were able to outlast their vehicle by accumulating enough miles. Tesla has thanked all its loyal customer base for helping them reach the point where it is now and sharing their enthusiasm they have for Tesla with their friends and family members. Tesla company said that in the past year, the owners of Tesla vehicles all around the globe have helped an accelerated transition from the ICE to sustainable energy by preventing the release of almost 5 million metric tons of carbon dioxide emissions into the atmosphere. The Tesla owners who have their supercharging miles intact or left would still be able to use them, but due to the termination of the program, no new rewards could be actually accrued.